your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is co.za. It is Mamelodi Sundowns travelling to the Kings Wellington Stadium in the KZN province to win 2-0 against the hosts Richards Bay in the Betway Premiership. It is Lucas Ribeiro who scored and assisted as well. I'm not sure if Salas, it's his first goal in the Betway Premiership, maybe it was the second as well, but he had an opportunity to score thanks to Lucas Ribeiro as well. Richards Bay being coached by an interim coach. They've had change of coaching. It does look like they will go down this season, if not for Makesi maybe to stop that as well. Perhaps maybe they will go to the playoffs like they did last season. Junior Kanya, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Justice.
Justice, sir.
Lindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
The little Napoleon, with die hard.
Mr. So-and-so.
Benedict Sofila, Gazeba Fit Winjan, keep on supporting it. TV fighting one, try to.
Do you know what's interesting about So? Is that there's a lot of interesting things about Utso. He's the highest ever goal scorer in the history of Orlando Pirates kwi-PSL era. Akusho ukuthi uye onamagoli amaningi ukudlula wonke umuntu because there was an era before PSL. Abomjomane, I'm sure they have more goals than So, but kule PSL era uye. He was a goal scoring midfielder. Right? One season he scored 20 goals, which is a special thing for a midfielder. 20 goals the whole season. But the other interesting thing is that nomfana wakhe uThato Mohlame, they are a father and son partnership ekorile ku professional football. So that's a good thing. I don't know who else whose father. I think maybe Les Grobler, no Bradley Grobler, umuntu nonyana wakhe abakorile ku professional football. So that's a great thing. We're working with a very great man. uThato Mohlame plays for Richards Bay. He's not been playing, he's been injured this season as well. But Utso and his son have scored ku professional football. There was one season that I shared 20 goals. Mr. So-and-so.
I know.
So, do you know any other duo maybe? Can you help us? Uguti Unyana, Noise. I think maybe Thompson Ngamasia uifuna goal because Bati Unyana ga fire Masilela. Siabulila Shai, Isaac Shai, it's the father and son as well. Do you know any other ones?
No, I think Yibo Bonalabo Robla. And then Oshai no Masilela so far Yibo. Ngazio that he was playing and his son was also playing. Yes. And then Umtawali, he played in the same game with his son. That's what I know. Yeah. Other than that, Tabanya.
How does it feel to be a player who scored professional and your son also has scored in professional football?
I would say thanks God and my ancestors because such things they don't come easily. And I mean, if this has to happen to me, and I would say thanks God.
Thank you. Yeah, one season is scored 20 goals. Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, going to the game, I think as the team and the technical director, man, Sundowns, let me speak about the technical director. Sundowns is confusing who to blame. The team started very well. I'm coach. The coaching him complementary how he plays. Numbers don't lie. If the coach doing well, will complement the guy. Sundowns will win 1-2-0. The reason being tactically how Sundowns approach games. It's sometimes
What point are you trying to make about the technical director? What are you trying to tell us?
Their players, Minangu Renas today, Ibrahim Renas, I will be angry. Also, Uteruk, I will be very angry as well. Also, Lung, Bengzoba angry. They did very well. Injury free. Kulisi as well. I don't understand why they had to change those players.
So you're talking about technical director on Sunday?
Yeah, Salis as well. I don't understand. Sometimes when they sign players according to the way how the team plays. Montezo accommodate the style of play of team. The guy is not dynamic. He lacks the movement of the ball. The first touch. I don't know. He's a typical Brazilian, but gonna question mark. I think somewhere around Joburg. Guna makasi la bonet geseg. Mele check guys. Mele benevar. Yeah, bonet geseg. Mele check. Yeah, I think way to feel lava. Guna skelem. Cause.
So what are you saying that the technical director is trying to make sure ukuthi abadlali abababhayile manje kumele bathole ithuba lokudlala?
Caruso did very well how he started. team bedlala ngama-department, they move the ball very quick, they speed up front. Nobody ngikhuluma nge-front three bengadrop it too much. Ama-wing back wabe was support when it's necessary. Dlala ngama-pocket, sometimes they play central. Today, udlala ngama-middle field, two Obas. And I don't understand why Obas is playing ahead of Mkhulisi. South African football, bangas cheat, man. We need to be, I'm straightforward.
What's wrong with Obas?
You can't play central ungekho special, especially playing kule hype kule team le njenge Sundowns. You can't. Abantu abadlala lapho ku Sundowns, when you look at Mkwena and Mkhulisi, that is not playing. Even Bule lo bakhala nge-discipline, but to get that type of player, bese udlala regularly. Also been calling national team. I'm sorry, in respect for Mchita, but why is playing ahead of Mkhulisi? I want to find out mina why. He's playing sideways. There's a hole, you are nervous to attack. I mean, playing generally regularly with Sundowns. Today, Sundowns eating a game in Janamslange. Richards Bay approaching the game, I think they were harassing Sundowns. Bebakurasha, Sundowns being al pull up front. Bebangana right forward.
Just give me a second. Am I correct so in saying that I saw a picture of Umodiba? I'm the man of the match. Yeah. So they didn't give man of the match to the guy who scored and assisted. Okay, please continue.
In a scale, that's an issue. I love Mdiba, he didn't have a good game as well.
Yeah, like he was not there, like he didn't.
He didn't have a good game as well, Mdiba today. I love Mdiba. He didn't do
goal and assist, like you assisted first goal, and then you also scored your own goal as well, but you don't get a man of the match.
Yeah. Going to the game, I think Richards Bay approaching the game. I think Bibangana right forward player. They played Ngombutuma central, Badlala Nsundama on the left hand side. Babanum Chechwa in the middle. Also, if not mistaken, Tembo Kumete in the middle.
Tembo.
Yes. But aggressive in the middle to Sundowns. If for so good Sundowns, two midfielders Mkwena. Now Obas Badla like square so. Badlala Ngatama center back. Very difficult to get the ball forward because both of them, Mkwena too deep, Golandi Pola, Obas will never go and fetch the ball. Obas can't play with tight spaces. So Mkwena Lali Pola and then Magalwisa Obas want to play Mkwena must play long ball. Now Oprendiba goes good mela drop back because the ball is like direct. Maybe a sideways. Sundowns is sideways. I think more than 20 minutes in this game. Not dangerous, not even threatening this team. Authorities coming to this game, Umchita in and out, not even getting any pass. Ngimbonile Aisa Mashiko up front to coach leg timing as well. Mashiko, I think it's up ngendlela I don't think the style of play is some suit because ziningi amale aspect awaleka kule game Sundowns. You need to be composed. Rush, I don't into it speed, to speed. Sometimes you need to be composed. Let them attack in the span. Sometimes you pass and relax. But now if you're gonna pass them cheat or something, and then Angagachen you want to run, pass him. Mabalbamba le pole they play the already team medicheck. So I think it's just paying. It's really only in the shot they got so many chances, but now I'm a mistake with Sundowns. Sundowns too slow. How they build up department, they play sideways, mispassing, Manning I'm a mispass today from them. When I'm a mistake, Manning, he didn't talk confident. I'm a players that to bring players that I'm a surprise. Leadala today, sometimes Al-Dhali, Jengababu Mashiko, Jobangisho today. Also, Salas up front. It's difficult the way because of certain players they're not used to play regularly. We are going Richards Bay, but now I think they created some chances 4 or 5. Crosses 4 of them. I'm a mistake with Sundowns. Crosses, I think Umudem was supposed to get 1. On I think Uleka na technique. Yes, Nyaz Guti Umchitonga see more of a striker. I mean, I will use him as a winger, right or left. But Ucholagara Central Umutelapana, when they pass through the police are straight, not even up there or sideways, just finish. Shy target. Msambo goalkeeper save. We are shooting technique kumchita. But credit to him, Gutacholagula position Marnabo. Senkulmange overall, J.K. Miabo. I didn't see playing abo. He playing a good team. Sengisho Kora, good by Haiti Sundowns. He playing abo. We good. Okay, we're gonna harass them, press them up front there. But good in terms of combination, also hitting Sundowns central combination. Bebanga na playing and Sundowns. very disappointing ukuthi badlale yafina yabo second half. Ngibonile, I think i-game management, this is not ngikhuluma ngayo Cardos. Yiyo ngithi mina this influence, i-technical director ngiphinde ngiyiquestione, ngibasola boyi-2, naye coach, head coach, the way you started, if so hlala kahle, if why fixing it if it's not broken? Uyilungiselani if ingalibelanga. Sometimes the way they manage the game, nakule game le bawine 1-0 ngibabonile. You cannot nifuna ukumanage a game boxing lane, you're going to make so many mistakes. Today they did that, and I'm a player that they are not playing regularly. Ngikhuluma ngabo Mashiko. I think it's difficult. Lo mfana lo is a very good player, but sometimes I think kumele ilungise this thing nguleko lapha ku dangerous. Sometimes you can't be so comfortable with it. I know umchita mhlambe bamconvertile from a central midfield to become a center back. Sometimes you can't play amabhola square. He sometimes make ngimbona get away with the amanye ama situation, but now to our checker, I think it was a lapse of concentration. He played dala forward. Bekumele ngabe bayipunish Sundowns. Sundowns didn't play well today, but dala ngama pitches. Yes, they scored 2 goals, individual brilliance from Lucas Cerbero. I think the guy did very well. He would Sundowns score today. I think mina ngizomnika repair credit. But none other than that, overall performance team yonke into gets a chop and change, and it's unnecessary. That's why I think Premier coach in the technical team.
All right, let me ask you one more thing before I let you go. As we get into, we're talking about Sundowns, of course, we just watched them. As we go into the transfer window, was there anything for you that you were looking at for them? Because I'm looking at them and I'm like, but they are a very solid team. For example, it looks like Paris is gonna sign Apolis. I wouldn't want Apolis to go to Sundowns because they look like they're covered, like they're a solid team. It looks like Apolis would be useful to a team like Paris, for example, and players like Abo Pasadin, they would be useful there. What do you think, if there's any player that you can think of that could maybe add value, do you think Sundowns are going to go to the market and buy players?
Mina, if Sundowns had to buy players, they could break
No,
account.
no, we can't have that.
Yeah, just break
No,
they
no,
don't need
no,
anyone.
we can't have that.
Unfortunately.
We need talented to
Sundowns-
spread so that we can have a title race.
Just to go back, question yako. I don't think Sundowns need to sign anyone. If they had to break your account to keep maybe 40 million or anything, I know what the Betway Premiership
No,
they
we
are
can't
always,
have that.
and they could go for replacer. I know Mshish is growing up. Tola Lumfana lo.
I was emotionally.
Okay.
We can't have that. Wait until he's 30.
Yeah, for now.
Then he can go.
Ngaphandle kokujoka nkulu, I don't think Sundowns they need anyone. For me, Ngabo Apolis, I don't think he's gonna play there. His style of play, the way Sundowns plays, I don't think some suitor. Yes, Umchito Grant, technical is very good, very dynamic. He's improved since playing national team as well. Psychologically, in Bonilo already. But coming to Sundowns, how they play, combination play. I think izinto zomshaya nokuthi compete nabobani zomshaya. There's many players ku Sundowns kube nama expectation thola ukuthi umfana siyambona ukuthi makumele adlale ku Sundowns bamthengile imshaya ukuthi compete nabobani. If abo Sereno bangadlali Apolis where they going to play at Sundowns. So Sundowns
They don't have to sign anyone.
No. For me, njengoba ngishilo, I don't think they need anyone. Sundowns kune squad esihleli lapha. I think zi3 ezilibele ziyawadla ama team with Betway Premiership because of the quality we lacking in Betway Premiership.
All right, there you are. Thank you very much to Junior. Thank you very much to you as well for watching us. That was Mamelodi Sundowns beating Richards Bay in the Betway Premiership. It is KTV Times, World Sports Betting.